Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2022 Sunseeker 2350LE Class C Motorhome here. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, show you what it's all about, guys. We'll be right back on the inside. Alright guys, we are now up inside the brand new 2022 Sunseeker 2350LE model here. We are going to start back here in the rear and kind of work our way around here. So here on the right side here, we have a hanging closet and a couple pull-out drawers down below. A little bit of storage space here under your bathroom sink area. Little medicine cabinet area there. Back here we have the actual bathroom area. So you starting up from the top here, we have a little vent fan, skyline up above, air conditioning vent there. Step-in shower. You have the porcelain foot flush toilet. Over on the left side here, we have a little corner queen bed. Window in the back does not open, but the window on the left side here does. Pull down roller shades. Decent amount of overhead cabinet space. And then there's also a little end table or nightstand, whatever you want to call it, with a little cup holder on each side of the bed. Electric outlet on the bottom right cabinet up there. Now at the foot of the bed there are TV hookups here. So you have an electric outlet, a 12-volt outlet, and a cable outlet there. And then your thermostat for your AC and furnace controls. They're currently using the Everchill 12-volt refrigerator. Convection microwave down below. A little bit of storage space also down here. 3-burner stovetop. Flip down glass lid. Has the sprayer faucet. And then it has a large single bowl sink. Just behind the single bowl sink there is also a wireless charger you could set your cell phone on. Some overhead cabinet space. Looking up at the ceiling here, there is a little roof vent up here. Pull across curtain or blind shade here for your privacy of your bedroom area. Do have the U-shaped dinette, and that will go down into a bed. There's a drawer on one end, and then over here on this side is the propane leak detector down there. Looks like there's currently 4 seat belts there. So you could sit 4 people there for travel, plus the 2 up front. Some more overhead cabinet space. Little LED light strip down here. And another electric outlet right there. Up into your cab area here, on the Ford E350 chassis. You'll see that a little bit better when we get outside. Sony stereo system. Backup and side cameras are integrated into the mirror up there. AC, heat, all the kind of standard basic stuff. Now up top here you do have a little bit of storage area in here. Same thing over on the other side. There's USB charger port down there as well. The TV here is on a swing arm, 40-inch TV. Does have the Bluetooth connectivity to it, FM stereo built in. Little ladder that you can use to get up and down there. Again, this makes into a sleeping area. And there's a window back in behind there. Up above your door area here, a little bit more storage space up here, but you also have your controls over there as well. And on the controls, you got your gas, electric, water heater, water pump, living room and kitchen light switch, your monitor panels, propane meter, all that type of stuff here. Start stop switch, hour meter for the generator, and then there's one of the outside light switches. Heat vents blow out the cabinetry instead of through the floor. On the side of the cabinet down there is an electric battery disconnect for your 12-volt battery system. Some light switches, awning in and out button, things like that. Little extension for counter space there. But overall, for the quick weekend trips and even just kind of traveling around, obviously you can tow a car behind you or something else if you needed to. But again, you know, just kind of for those quick trips running around, it's not a huge camper, but it's definitely going to get you into a lot more campsites, again, because it's not real big. You know, going to be a little bit easier on gas mileage compared to those really large ones. And again, just cute little camper here. All right, guys, we're going to head outside. I want to show you around the outside real quick. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, guys, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2022 Sunseeker 2350LE model Class C motorhome here. We're going to start here on the door side, kind of spin our way around. So first things up, this unit is on the E350 Ford Super Duty chassis. You have a white paint standard, and then the camper part of the body is a white fiberglass. You have deep tent safety glass windows on the body part of the camper, power awning, LED light strip built in, and adjustable arms for tilting and water runoff. Also has the manual override in the front arm. Entry door comes down nice and low, so it's an easy step up into the RV. Large grab handle there to help you get in and out. Your model number also located right there. You have a couple outdoor speakers, outdoor porch light as well. Down below here you have a little storage area, electric outlet. Do have the furnace exhausting out right here. Gravity fill freshwater tank right here. 6-gallon gas electric water heater behind the door there. Then there's some more storage here, but there is also an area right here for your water pump and winterization kits. And you can also see here your black and gray tanks underneath the bottom area here. There is a heat duct that blows down here to help keep this warm too. On the back side here, we have another big storage compartment area here. Ladder on the back of the RV here to help you get up. Again, that ladder comes down nice and low, so it's an easy step up onto it. Ladder's rated for 250 pounds. You can see on the picture popping up here, this is a fiberglass roof. This particular unit was ordered with the solar panel. You got the AC up there, skylight up there, some plumbing stack vents, that Winegard 360 plus antenna up there. So some really nice setup up here, again being fiberglass roof. Again though, you still have to get up there and maintain the seams and seals and all that type of stuff. On the back of the camper here, you do have a hitch to tow with. 7-way wiring plug also. It is not set up with a brake control. You would have to do that aftermarket if you wanted to, but you do have the hitch and you do have the basics of the wiring there, standard. Up in the top center running light up there is also a rear observation camera, so you can see what's going on behind you. And obviously, being a motorhome, it does have reverse lights, where a lot of RVs don't. A lot of pull-behind RVs don't. There is another light over here on this side that I forgot to turn on. The other side of the storage compartment area down here, there's a cable inlet, satellite inlet right there. And then if you're wanting to use the generator, you plug the power cord into the outlet right there. And your power cord is roughly about 25 or 30 feet long. Down below here, you do have your city water and your black water tank flush, along with your black and gray dump valves as well. And obviously a little light there. Gasoline fill up right here. Down below here, we have our propane tank. Over here, you have the 4,000 watt Oatman generator. And right here is one of your side cameras looking down the side. So you have one on each side plus the one on the back. Nice fiberglass front cap. This one was also ordered with the metal aluminum running boards down below. Now they also have the Sunseeker Classic models, which are a little bit fancier than the LE models, and then you also have the Mercedes chassis as well. So there's a few different versions of the Sunseeker as you're shopping around and checking things out. All right, guys, thanks again for taking the time to watch my RV videos. Really do appreciate it, guys.